Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the Cocoa Daisy October kit, which is called More Autumnal. That one's a little tongue-tying for me. So this is the October kit. As a design team member, I get the Scrapbooking Core Kit with the simple dory insert, and then I get the add-on of the pocket page cards, and then I separately get the journaling kit. The collections have been wonderful all year round, and so this one is probably no different as well. I always want to start with this because at least we'll get a feel for the collections and the patterns and the colors that you'll see throughout the whole collection. So let's flip through the dory, and then once we're done with the unboxing, you know I usually do a quick project toward the end of the video. So I'll either do something with pocket cards or something in here, but we'll see what we come up with as I get inspired by the products in this kit. So as usual, the dory comes, it always has the cardboard backing, and then it starts the collection paper. So it's very beautiful illustration, like watercolor with the soft neutral tones, tone-on-tone stripe, a little bit of a tag vintagey look. Beautiful, simple and beautiful. Like photographic boots and then text on top of it. Very cool. We have it's like almost like a sunburst. Another beautiful like photographic one with a large quote. Beautiful too, like a dark navy floral, and it's a good solid wood grain. The pumpkins. We got yellow, tone-on-tone, repeating pattern, a plaid, the leaves, a blank one, the chevron. That's probably most likely like the color palette, so I always like when they do pages like that. Like a ledger with the little boots in the bottom, great illustration there. Tone-on-tone, repeating pattern in like a mustard yellow and orange, and then the end. Okay, so that is the simple dory for the collection. Let's go through the Scrapbooking Core Kit. So we have the stamp, and I just love those little painterly ones. And actually we got a finished stamp set because, you know, usually I don't have the black overlay. So a lot of leaves, so I can use that a lot. Golden moments, autumn memories, sweater weather, a little banner, more leaves, painted in the colors of fall, feeling fallish, and falling leaves. That's a really good stamp. I really love these, and I love the leaves. We have a pack of die cuts, and remember the die cuts are always self-adhesive on the back. There's a little hat there, so we got some leaves, some pumpkins, a couple tags, more leaves. Oh, and the great little boot. The great little boot. Then in here seems to be like vellum leaves that have some printing on it. Yes, it is. Oh, those are pretty. They're gold. Gold vellum leaves with some text on top. There's 3 of those. Puffy stickers that are the leaves. And I love that they threw in that like dark navy blue color along with the neutrals. We have 2 tags. October. Look for the bit of beauty in every day. That is where the magic happens. Very pretty. Classic alpha in a brown. Chipboard. And then the rub-ons, of course. I really love this one right there with the leaves. That umbrella is really cute. And I love the boots with the flowers. And then the 6x8s. We have 2 white. Love that. Is this how it repeats? Yeah, so this is the boot. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, and then the leaf. Oh, and then the good wood grain. Oh, they got good ones. The papers are good. The papers are good. And then the washi is a repeating leaf. Very cute. Okay. So that is that. Now let's go through the cards. Okay, so with the Project Life cards, you know, we always have one that starts off with the month printed on it and then the calendar. Very pretty. Oh, a good journaling card. Autumn. Remember October days, I always remember the color. Very pretty. Oh, and a girl illustration. Oh, love that. Okay, hello October. Very pretty. That's a repeating card. Love. Pretty. Oh, I love that one. Oh, beautiful. I love sweater weather. That's pretty. That's pretty. Oh. This is the image for all of the cards. I love it. Oh, and then some photorealism there. Oh, and they do have a girl. Stop it. I love that. Ooh, there are some good ones in this collection. Looks cute. Laminate. Beautiful. Painted in the colors of fall. Good one too. Cute. Cute. Halloween. These cards are great. This collection is great. Man, very pretty. Very, very pretty. Okay, and then you get that vinyl sticker that comes with your kit. So early sunsets, warm tea, messy hair, big sweaters. And then lastly is the journaling kit. There is a washi tape, and it looks like it's just numbers. So maybe it's like for a calendar. So we got them all repeating number washi. The wild is the music of autumn and wind. Yep. And then the journal prompt card. And then you get the 2 sheets of rub-ons. Oh, sorry. I love that pile of sweater. I love the little pastries. I love that. Very cute. Very cute ones. All usable. And then journaling sticker kit. So these are the ones that are on washi sheets. So they're like clear stickers. Always like the days of the week and multiple, and then the dates. The full sheet of washi. I have been using these, so these are fun, and I just love this. This is the best illustration for this. And then the alphas in like an orangey brown, and then these icons. Oh, it's all pretty. It's pretty. This is definitely pretty. Okay, so that is the unboxing. Let me clear my desk and let's create something to get us started with this kit and collection. So hold tight. Let's start a project. Okay, so let's get started with our traveler's notebook. This has really become a fun size to work in again. I don't know why I stopped working in it. I think because you just get, you know, caught up in other projects and sizes that do feel comfortable. But this size, traveler's notebooks, I'm reawoken to the love for them. So I went through my photos because like I said, we always get our design team stuff earlier than the release of October. So clearly it's not fall yet. So I had to go back in my camera roll and find photos of us at the pumpkin patch last year. Now, if you recall, I do live in South Florida. We are in West Palm Beach, and in South Florida, we don't get fall, we don't get winter. So they look a little bit different for us because it's still 90 degrees out, but we do all the fall activities still, except for wearing sweaters and having leaves change colors because there's palm trees everywhere. But I still can use this collection and make it work for the fall activities that we are able to participate in. So as you saw me begin, I decided to make a little vellum pocket in order to hold one of these tags. These tags are gorgeous. I could have used either one for this layout. They were interchangeable. And then these vellum gold leaves are just beautiful. I wish like 12 came in the collection instead of just 3. But we have the 3, and sometimes my rule of thumb, especially when it's 3, don't save one per project, use them all and create a nice effect on one. So all 3 are utilized in this one. Here we are, just trying to use some of the washi. I have a few of the die cuts pulled. You know me, and my rule of thumb, especially when doing design team projects, is just to kind of use a little bit of everything so that you get ideas on how to make your product go further, and to make the best projects that you can with the products that you are given in these kits, because it's not worth it if they're sitting on your shelf and hoarding them. They are pretty. They're so pretty. They're worth the ability to hoard. But use the pretty products. Use the pretty products. So here I'm just trying to get it like just right. I'm doing a little cluster of some of the die cuts, the tags, and a pumpkin. And I think in that area, I do go ahead and add the word joy. I just don't know if I film myself doing it, but with those puffy alphas, I do add that too. This pumpkin patch is really close to our house. And Valentina, we went like straight after school because she loves just getting her pumpkin and picking it out for her room. And with that tag, you will see that so it's going to be hidden journaling. Now, instead of making a vellum pocket, you could have done like a brad at the top of the page and have it swivel and have your journaling, underneath the tag as it swiveled. Or if you were able to just like tape like maybe the first inch of the tag and kind of score it so that you could have a flip up, and the journaling could have been hidden that way too. For me, I made the pocket, and that way I get to use the back side, which was bright white paper, and have my journaling there too. In most of my projects, I usually take the time to type up my journaling on clear sticker paper and put it on here, but I thought my own handwritten journaling with a brown ink pen would have done just as beautiful. And so that's what I did after I truly decorate the tag with all of the washi tape strips. They're so pretty. Like, they need to washi tape in all of these patterns. Like, we have the leaf one, great, but the one with the little s'mores on it too was adorable, and the one that has like a almost like old paper with like script text on it, gorgeous. Could have been a washi tape roll too. Love it, love it, love it. The collection, I think I did mention, is unfortunately sold out. Cocoa Daisy, congratulations to them, is at capacity for their subscription kits for the month of October. And so it's hard to get onto the kit list for this, but put your name on the wait list. Spots will open up. They're talking to their manufacturers to open up spots. So, Cocoa Daisy, I'll be honest, they've been knocking it out of the park. Every collection this year, I have thoroughly enjoyed. My favorites being that Into the Blue was gorgeous. Sundress was gorgeous. They've really been gorgeous. So I highly recommend subscriptions to Cocoa Daisy. Okay, that will wrap up this traveler's notebook layout. I added the word joy there with the puffy alphas, and I was going to add in more out of the leaves, but I figured let's keep the bulk down for now, because this will be like a little problem area to write on this side if I keep up with this traveler's notebook. I absolutely love the little vellum leaves. I wish more than 3 came because I used them all on this layout, but that's okay. And then I decorated this tag in a pocket and used all the little washi strips and just wrote about how fall is a little bit different in Florida because it still stays like 90 degrees down here. But we do all the fall things because that's us picking our pumpkins at the pumpkin patch. And I'll have a few more layouts coming soon because I just love this one. I love the wood grain. And this one too with this. I love this illustration. That illustration is seen throughout, and I just think it's so adorable. Yeah, like I just really love that one too. So we have more projects coming. I will leave everything linked down below, but as I understand, this is the October collection, and as I understand it, it's been sold out on release day. Cocoa Daisy has had a wave of new subscribers, which is fantastic for them, but it makes everything to capacity at the time being. So just put yourself, they say to make yourself like to get notified when the kits are available, and you'll be able to get one. But right now, the best way to do it, at least going forward from October, is to subscribe for November's already, because of that high demand, and everyone's filling in all the capacity for the subscriptions. So that's amazing news to hear. I know some people are a little bummed out about that, but what can you do? The products are great. I mean, I understand why they're at capacity. They have to increase those numbers, right? So thank you so much for joining. I hope you like this unboxing and my first project, and stay tuned for other projects coming up using this gorgeous collection. Till next time, everyone. Bye.
that you're exiting. I keep wondering.